Both Printify and Printful let you add backgrounds behind mockups with transparent backgrounds. This way, you can use the same background for different products, creating fresh look for your store that stand out from others using the same products. You can create a background once in Canva and then use it in Printful or Printify every time you create a new product. This way you don't have to keep making mockups in Canva and upload it to Printful or Printify. Each time you create a new product, you can apply that same background, keeping your mockup consistent and on brand without extra steps. Here's how you do it. Before you start, it's a good idea to have one mockup with a transparent background that you downloaded for that product. This way you can position it and see if it's work with the background in Canva. Then go to Canva. Create any background you like. Open a square design, and if you want sharp image, make it big, around 5000 by 5000 pixels. Then design the background. For this example, let's go with a summer theme. Find a beach image and add some extra elements. If it's a pro image, you need to add at least one more element. You can just download the image as is. Add some elements to the background, but make sure they won't be under the mockup in Printful or Printify, unless that's the look you want. Then download it. If you're not sure if the elements are on the back of the image, you can add the mockup from Printful or Printify of one product, so you can see for that product if it's go over or not. On Printify, open the product editor and click the preview button on the right side. You'll see all the mockups for that product. Click the one you want to add the background to, and at the bottom there's an option to add background. Just click it, upload your Canva background, and it will apply. You can reuse the background for any other mockup. Just switch mockups and click Add Background again. This background will be available for any product you create in Printify, so you only have to upload it once. You can also download that mockup after you added the background by clicking on the bottom left corner. On Printful, you have a tool to create the mockup from scratch, and you can layer the background and the mockup on top. You can create two layers in Canva, one for the background and another to show on top of the product. Then save it as a scene so you can use it again and again, making it a one-time process. This might need some back and forth with Canva because in Printful's Mockup Maker, you can't change the size of the mockup itself, only the other elements in the image on Printful Custom Mockup Maker. If you need to adjust the size of the product to fit the background, you'll have to do everything in Canva. Start by downloading a mockup from Printful so you can use it as a guide in Canva. Create your background first, then add extra elements to the second file that will sit on top of the product mockup, like text, icons, or decorative touches. To create a second layer, start with the same square size design. Add just elements you want to be on top of the mockup. You can use the mockup from Printful to size everything correctly, then delete the mockup and leave only the elements you want on top. It's important to download the top image as a PNG file with a transparent background. Otherwise, it will cover the mockup. Once you have both layers, go to Printful, open the product you want, click on the three dots and click on Download Mockup. Click Customize Mockup and choose Start from Scratch. On the side, select the mockup you want. You'll see a list of the original mockups Printful provides for that product. Then add your background and top layers from Canva. In the Layers tab, reorder them so the background is below the mockup and the top layer is above it. Once it's look right, download the final mockup. Before downloading, Printful will ask if you want to save it as a scene for future use. Click Yes. Now each time you want to use that background, you can find it ready in the Custom Scene tab. This method is perfect if you're building a collection and want all products to have the same background but different designs. It's a one-time setup that lets you reuse your branded mockups easily across multiple products. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.